All right, y'all, 3 week TikTok shop update, and I have sold a total of 13 items. I sold one today for about 20 bucks in commission, 185 or 190, about 200 GMV. I sold, you can see here, four of the portable phone storages, four of the portable nebulizers, two of the lavalier little microphones. I'd be returning stuff. I had these microphones um, for forever for the gym. I was going to do gym content, never did. And then one of the cameras on it, the Don't Believe Everything You Think book. I bought that on my own just to read. And the 4-in-1 car charger, which I gave to my mom. So I could record more videos on all these things, but the first two I recorded a lot of B-roll though. So I just been editing the B-roll together without showing my face. But I can't really be like, hey, buy this anymore. But it's been working. Those two have the most sales, and I think I recorded one video each of those two, because that's when I copied Nick Fowler and was just showing the thing working and not showing my face. And those have the most sales. So you don't really have to show your face. Um, and like I said, I'm just gonna keep making videos of those. I can keep finding different scripts and things to get creative with it. I already posted a lot of videos on those two products. The mic also, I'm tapped out and being more creative on what to do with it. Like, it's on, it's off. This is why I sound better with the microphone. Like, I don't understand. The book, I can do more things. I have a lot of videos of drafts for the book. And then the car charger, I feel like I did enough too, but I guess I can do some more about like how the ambiance sets the mood for a date or something like that, like romantic or like spicy aspects of just like, oh, it's a projector. Yes, it's cool. Yes, it retracts. Now I can do like set the mood right, like make it a story about dates or selling it to people who want to impress other people, something like that. So we'll see. I've been joining people's lives who do TikTok shop, and one lady said she did 6K her first month. That's what I was shooting for. You know what I'm saying? Or the next like 1K to pay back the money I spent on ads and stuff. But I went in other people's lives, and they're like, "Dang, 3 weeks in, you already got sales." I didn't even have sales in 3 weeks, so you're killing it. So there's that. But yeah, and then obviously you see ecom people, but again, like a lot of the ecom people have been dropshipping for a year, so they know how to sell things off the jump. Which I was dropshipping, but I was good at running ads. I didn't make my ads. I had someone make my ads for me. I wasn't good at making the ads. So now that I'm just making the ads and I'm just posting them and not really running a targeting campaign, it's a little different. However, I'm always having content made. I always have like 20 something drafts. It's been easy to make content. Like you start scrolling, you'll see ideas and you'll go. Or every time one of those people are on live, I go on their pages and see if they any viral videos for a product I have. Boom, I replicate it. So we'll see. I feel like with TikTok Shop is gonna be one of those things like people say. That's why they say they don't make money up front, because your videos have to warm up and boil, and then once they boil, they're gonna boil over, and then boom, all the sales. So I'm manifesting for myself. However, first 2 weeks I've made 13 sales, so not like one or two, but not a bunch, but a good bit. Like I feel like I'm doing something right. So just gotta perfect it, tweak it, hone in on it. I might join a group for like a month and see if it helps me get over that hump. But we'll see how this last week goes. How this week, I only have one product I bought a new product for. I've been trying to make videos of the stuff I have that I can't return. So I have a product I need to make videos for, and I have another product I have in the house that I need to make videos for. I just don't have ideas for them yet. So, like I said, I don't shoot until I have the je ne sais quoi, because it shows in the videos. So I try to like, you know, do that. I actually have videos I need to type scripts up for, because Chat GPT, you can't. They don't read TikTok videos, which is so annoying. Like they do YouTube videos, so I have to like watch the video. I type the script out, and then I use the teleprompter effect on TikTok, and I read the script back. Because some of these videos that go viral are like minute long scripts. You know what I'm talking about? Like, girl, when my boyfriend, blah, 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 blah. So I found like a few of those for this Euro probiotic that I'm going to do. I recorded some for the Urban Mate tea today, and I recorded some for the Snap supplements just from somebody else's page. And honestly, it was from a product that was different than this, but had the same thing. Same with the Yerba Mate tea, that super calm drink. You can use a lot of videos for that, for the Herb Mate tea, and vice versa, the scripts. So there was like a black seed oil ashwagandha, like testosterone booster pill that everyone's talking about for men, that I use a lot of scripts for that product On this one, they're in the draft, so we'll see how they perform. Um, and yeah, so I feel like that's gonna help. Like using scripts that like they're both weight loss drinks. Boom, use the same script, just change the words a little bit. They're both men booster supplements, same script. You know, that kind of thing is what I'm trying to do now. So we're gonna see, and life is gonna be great. And hey, it's still not zero sales and not even a full month, so I will take it. See y'all next update.